Welcome to Get the High Result with TOEFL IBT Preparation Guide course, where you will get the clear picture of what to expect and learn the tips and tricks that I've used myself during preparation and passing of TOEFL IBT test. My name is Olga and I will guide you through this journey. My journey to creating this course began when the challenge arose during the application for the university overseas that required the English proficiency certificate. The most accessible for me was TOEFL IBT test and I went for it. So after 1 month of intense preparation, I passed TOEFL IBT test with 107 out of 120 possible points. Combining it with the experience of working as a teacher that I currently am and working as a translator for 2 Korean specialists in my country, I decided to create this course and help other people to get the high scores. I designed this course for anyone who is interested in passing TOEFL test or who has the same challenge and who wants to get the high results. By the end of this course, you will understand the structure of TOEFL IBT test. You will get the tips that I've used to save the time during the test and improve my preparation. You will get the information on materials that I've used, and you will understand each section and what is expected of you in each section of the test. Throughout this course, which is separated as the actual IBT test in sections, 4 sections to be specific, we will first look at the application process for TOEFL IBT test. We will look at the materials that I've used and I will give you some suggestions on what to look for, choosing the listening and reading materials. Also, we will look at the question types and my tips for each question, and also we will create 2 blueprints for speaking and writing section. The ideal student for this course is a person who has got pre-intermediate or high level of English, knows some basic information about the TOEFL test and what it is for, and has adequate result expectations based on their level of English. Feel free to look throughout the course description, previews of the lectures, and I look forward to seeing you inside Preparing with us.